In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix BMO Harris Bank app not working 2024. If your banking app is crashing, freezing, or not loading properly, this quick reset usually clears up the most common issues without affecting your actual bank account. We'll move carefully so you know exactly what each action does and why it helps. First, locate the BMO digital banking app on your device. You can find it on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you've got a lot of apps, use your device's search feature and type in BMO to pull it up quickly. Make sure you're selecting the official banking app with the correct icon so you don't open something else by mistake. Next, press and hold the app icon. Keep your finger down until a small menu appears or the icons start to wiggle, depending on your phone model. This long press brings up shortcuts that let you manage the app without opening it. From that menu, tap App Info. On some devices, you might see a small eye in a circle, or it may say App Details or Manage App. They all take you to the same place, a screen that shows permissions, notifications, and storage settings for the app. Now choose Storage and Cache. This is where your device tracks the app's saved files, temporary data, and settings. Corrupted or outdated files here are a common reason an app won't behave. Tap Clear Storage. You may be asked to confirm. Clearing storage resets the app to its default state on your device, removing saved preferences and temporary files. This does not affect your bank account or your funds, but it will sign you out of the app and remove locally stored app data on this device. Think of it as giving the app a fresh start, so it can rebuild clean files the next time it launches. For context, clearing cache only removes temporary files, while clearing storage is more thorough and resolves deeper glitches. When that's done, open the BMO digital banking app again and sign in. Give it a moment on the first launch as it rebuilds necessary data. Then try the action that was failing before, whether that's checking your balance, moving money, or viewing recent transactions, to confirm everything is back to normal. Make sure you have a stable internet connection while testing. If the issue persists after this reset, it could be a broader service problem or something unique to your device. In that case, checking for app updates or reaching out to the bank's support team can help. But in most cases, this simple storage reset gets the app working smoothly again.